Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create text to AI image very simply and free. First of all, just open up Google Chrome and search Bing Image Creator. Tap on the first link and interface will show like this. Here you can see join and create. Tap on here. I'm not sure if you have an account on Bing or not, so if not, then create one. Just simply put your email here and they will send a verification code on your Gmail. Put that verification code here and done. Now you can see a box. In this box you need to give the prompt how you want to create your image. You need to describe it. For example, if I simply write a boy standing in a beach with holding an umbrella, realistic view and wide angle, and then tap on create. It's a final step. You can add anything you want. Just wait for a while and your picture will be ready. See? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe our channel to support me, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. We will try to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching.